Good morning everyone, welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. This is the Crowne Plaza Orlando Universal and I'm going to take you on a quick tour. Let's go. So over that side you've got the valet parking, which there's no longer valet anymore, so you can actually just park there. But as you can see, the car park goes all the way around. It did have electric charge points at one point, but I think they've now been taken away. But as you can see, it's a fair sized car park, so plenty of space. And I always head up here, and this is where I'd always park one of my cars. Obviously that Camaro, that's one of mine, and then I park mine right under this tree right here. There we go. So I am pool facing. My room is just up there on the 14th floor. Now, to park in the car park here at Crowne Plaza, there is a charge. Now, I'm an IHG Spire Elite member. I don't pay for parking. I believe internet is included here in the hotel. You get an access code when you get here, and then you have to use an email or your IHG Reward Club account number. I use my account number all the time as I can have so many devices. But just bear that in mind, there is a parking charge to park here in the car park. Now when you come back in of an evening, you haven't got to walk all the way around. All you got to do is just walk to this gate right here. Of an evening, you will have to use your room key to get in. But for now, pull, and here you go. So now, into the courtyard part, you've got these games right here. Incredibly addictive, you could be here for a while. Loads and loads of seating. These are surprisingly comfortable. Table and chairs with umbrellas, and you've got comfortable seating just up here with soft couches. Two toilets right here. That used to be the games room, no longer the games room. Fitness centre right here on the entrance to the pool. Out in the pool area, you've got the windows there with the gym. Then you've got the pretty big pool, 4 foot 9 inches at this end, but it does feel pretty deep, to be honest. I mean, I can't stand up in it. You've got the jacuzzi right there, and they do have the rotational lifts for the disabled to put them in and out the pool and the jacuzzi. Loads and loads of lounges, loads of umbrellas, loads of chairs, and of course the pool bar. That's the gate where you come in. But I've spent many a happy morning coming round here early in the morning when no one's here. Come round, switch on the jacuzzi and just hop in, relax, chill out and start your morning in the awesome jacuzzi. And then hop into the pool to cool off. It can get quite toasty out here though, but these help a little. Plenty of lighting during the evening. That used to be the pizza shop, which is now a meeting room. Out that way to the gate that takes you to the car park. Loads and loads of nice plants and stuff like that. Really nice out here. Over there is the atrium to the ballroom, and through that door right there is the entrance to Elements Bar, where you can have your breakfast, and there's also a Starbucks location in there now. This is the comfortable seating. Many a happy night sat out here with a glass of wine, editing the vlog or a video that I've been doing. I'd say that used to be the games room. No longer the case, that's now gone. Pool is cleaned daily along with the jacuzzi. It's always checked and cleaned. Let's head in to the hotel. You can either walk in through that door there, you can walk all the way around to the front entrance, or you can come through this door right here and head to these glass lifts. You've got Mr. Barber Spa right there, toilets on this side, gift shop right here. Come round this way, and then up here the stairs lead you to the second floor. Then you've got the glass lifts. So as you can see, looking around the lobby, some lovely comfortable seating. It's well thought out in here. Concierge desk, and of course a vacation desk. Over at Elements Bar, this is where you'd have your buffet style breakfast, and the Starbucks is over at the bar as well. So around here you've got a touchscreen phone to phone one of the rooms. These for sale items. A little bit of Star Wars all over the lifts. These are the other lifts compared to the glass ones. Tend to use these if that's too busy. So plenty going on in the lobby right there, as you can see. It's all nice when you come in, but then you come to the glass elevators to head up to the rooms. Now I'm on floor number 14. You used to use your key card on this to get to these two floors, but now they've taken that away. But this is pretty cool. The glass lift takes you all the way up to 15. I'm on 14 right now, but to see a super cool bird's eye view of what it looks like from the second floor all the way up to floor number 14. That's my room, always like that. What's going on, everyone? Future Paul here. I'm just in the middle of editing this video, and yes, I'm in the back of the car. It's where I get most of my thinking done. So I've just noticed something during the editing of the video. There's an outfit change. Now the reason behind that was the camera failed to record, and I had to record the entire inside the hotel room again. So that's why there's an outfit change, because I've just come up from the pool and decided, oh wait, there's a bit I need to record. So that's why there's a bit of an outfit change, and my t-shirt saturated because I've been down at the pool and I was still wet. So that's why you're seeing that. Long corridor, plenty of rooms down there, ice machine and a vending machine that side. 1401 used to be my mum and dad's, no longer. Come down here and you head into room 1404, use your key on the door and step inside. Okay, so let me give you the room tour. So light switch right here, turns on the hallway lights. You've got your locks on your door for the evening or when you come in, you just place that onto lock. Your I'm in with my feet up card, do not disturb. Long mirror just here before you exit or you come in. A nice big mirror right there. So before we head down that way, I'll show you the bathroom area. So big sink, large collection right here for your stuff. Obviously, this is still us. We're not just getting here. We've been here for 2 weeks. I'm recording this right at the very end, so the room has been lived in. Big mirror on the wall, light here, socket right here, another socket right there, and there's your light switch right there. Another light on this side. There used to be a mirror which had the 5x magnification. That's now gone. The hairdryer is in the closet space, which I'll show you in a sec. 3 towels here, towels up top. You do get towels here, but that's my t-shirt. Time from the pool. Toilet, bin, big shower curtain. As you can see, heads into the bath and the shower. Fairly decent shower head. This right here, as you know, is to dry your clothes. You just pull this out and you can dry all your swimwear, let it drip into the bath. But that's the bathroom. And then you've got your closet space. So not a lot going on here right now. There's the ironing board. The iron sits right there. You've got your safe. Hang your clothes up. Plenty of hangers. Place for your suitcase to go onto to lie flat. And then place on the bottom right there for your shoes or your bottle of wine. But we don't tend to use that to store the cases. As you got a little space right here, so the cases for us always go here. Table, decent lamp. The lamps do have sockets on them, so you can charge your phone while you sat on the couch. Couch, really comfortable, really nice to sit on during the morning. Does pull out into a sofa bed. Coffee-ish table right here, another table right there, and one of the comfiest chairs in the world with that footstool. Absolutely superb. I do like that chair a lot. Your mini fridge, which gets super cold. Don't put anything near the back, it will ice over. Sink area, Kruger coffee maker. Also drawers right here to keep some of your clothes in. A little space under there, that's where I keep all the tech stuff ready to roll in case I need to film. On the table on this side, I do have the Voodoo Donuts box. Good things come in pink boxes. The view is absolutely spectacular. Bedside table on both sides with bedside lamps. Gets really nice and cozy in here, especially with it being in somewhat of a cove. You know, the TV is quite old, but it's still here basically because it spins all the way around, so it faces the seating area or can face the bed. The editing station right here, this is where I always sit to do all the editing and put all the pictures on. So comfortable chair, nice desk, decent lamp. Don't tend to use the lamp all that much except to put something on charge. I have the wire running down the back, charge the MacBook, and then a wire going into the iPad. So both are connected. Phone, there's a lamp on this side. The view from 14 is absolutely spectacular. So you got Universal just through there, Volcano Bay, downtown Orlando is just through there. When it's nice and not so hazy, you can see that perfect. Dockside, Surfside through there, Westgate Palace, the new Universal Legacy Apartments. Very nice indeed. Lovely view of the pool area where we've just been. Pool bar, pool jacuzzi, and of course the courtyard where we just were too. View of the car park. I always park my 2 cars that I've got right here. One under the tree and one space away. So I have those 2. And then another view right around here. All the way down International Drive. This is Canada Avenue. Pirates right there. The Enclave Suites. But you also do get a second window which overlooks this side, so you can see Denny's right up here, Quality Inn. You can see the little dinosaur from the old golf place that used to be there, along with Dunkin' Donuts. So overnight, this is all lit up. It's a cracking view, and of course, you can see this hotel perfectly. When the sun's setting here, this all lights up. Looks absolutely fantastic. But yeah, that's gonna do it. I think that's all the room I can show you. So guys, let me know what you think of the Crowne Plaza Universal. Have you stayed here in the past? Are you gonna stay here in the future? The rooms, I will say, do need a bit of an update, as this has been the same since I've stayed here, since it very first opened. This is the hotel I always come to. I have stayed in the Universal hotels as just for like when I've been here for a week to do IAPA, stayed somewhere different just to experience. But this is the hotel I always stay in when I come with the family, or sometimes when I have been alone, I've also stayed here. But let me know what you think of the Crowne Plaza Universal Orlando. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications so you don't miss future uploads from this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.